So to prevent people from adding you to WhatsApp without your permission, you just go to your WhatsApp, then you click on this three-line dot. Click on this three-line dot. When you do that, you go to settings, come to settings, then come to privacy. Come to privacy, then you now see groups. Now this is the group. This is where you now modify it. Now when you put it on everyone, it means everyone that is using WhatsApp can add you to group. Anyone that is using WhatsApp can add you to any group. If you put it in only my contacts, meaning all the people you have their contacts that you save their number, only those people that can add you to any WhatsApp group. Then you can now put it on this third option, this one that says my contacts except. So in this option, only those that you excluded from this your contact list, these are the only people that can send you or add you to any WhatsApp group. For example, if you pick any option, say you pick two of these options, for example, anybody in your contact list can add you to any group except these two contacts. But this is the trick. This is what you do. You just click on this. Let me uncheck this first. Let me uncheck. So what you do is you just click on this option, and when you click on that, it will tick or it will highlight all your contacts. You see it has highlighted all your contacts from the beginning to the end. So all the number of contacts you have in your phone has already be ticked. So you click on this green sign. Let me show you. Click on this green sign. So when you click on this, it means you have locked everybody. You have locked everybody, either those with your contacts or without your contacts. So if you click on this and you enter it, let's see. So this green line, if you click on this green tick, you okay it will update. Now at this point, nobody can add you to any WhatsApp group without your permission, except the person will have to send you a message or notify you before you can unlock that person to send you or to add you to any group. So this is how you intentionally block people from adding you to WhatsApp group. Sometimes you might just be on your own and somebody will just add you to a group you don't even know, and at times even leave you inside the group. So at times it's annoying. So this is how you do that. And most importantly, if you get this video valuable, you can give it a like and share it to people you know want their privacy to be respected. Also, if you are a business owner, you want to run ads for your business through Facebook and Instagram ad, the service is available. Just send a DM. Check my bio for the link. So see you again in another interesting video like this.